Are you looking to boost your health and reduce inflammation naturally? You have come to the right place because today I'm going to share with you the best way of consuming anti inflammatory foods so that they can reduce inflammation quickly in your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a functional medicine expert. I help people reverse their chronic conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. So, today I'm really excited to share with you some practical and essential tips about how to eat the anti inflammatory foods the right way so they can reduce inflammation quickly in the body. So, let's get started. The most important meal in your day is your breakfast. You have heard it before and you are hearing it today. So make sure you have the highest amount of anti-inflammatory foods you're consuming with your breakfast. Along with the anti-inflammatory foods, you also need a high amount of protein in the morning. The reason being, proteins are made with amino acids, and these amino acids go in the body and are part of the enzymatic processes. There are more than 1,000 enzymatic processes which are happening daily in the morning. And by supporting that enzymatic processes, you are going to lower the inflammation in the body. So that's the reason you can start your morning with an anti-inflammatory smoothie where you're adding soaked chia seeds, which are very high in omega 3s as well as fiber. You can add a good quality vegan protein powder made with either pea protein or chia seed protein, or you can add some collagen peptides as your protein powder source. Along with that, you add different kind of greens because they give you again a lot of antioxidants that your body needs to start your day. And make sure you add those berries because blueberries are one of the foods which have the highest amount of antioxidants to it. So this anti-inflammatory smoothie has a variety of antioxidants that you need to fuel your day. If you're not a smoothie lover, don't worry. You can either have boiled eggs in the morning, make sure you're adding an anti-inflammatory food with it. It can be a cup of blueberries or it can be a tablespoon of chia seeds or both. The next important thing to know is that you have to mix different kind of anti-inflammatory foods because they support each other and increases the potency of your food. So for that reason, if you're making your lunches or your dinners and you are stir frying vegetables or you're stir frying your meats, then make sure you're adding both ginger and garlic to it because both of them are very high in polyphenols and very high in antioxidants. And when they're combined together, they actually increases the potency exponentially. The next thing you can add is turmeric and black pepper together because turmeric has something called curcumin and the absorption of curcumin is very poor in our gut. But once you add black pepper, that increases the absorption. Also, what I've seen is that when you actually cook with turmeric, it is very well tolerated by your gut. So you can use it in your morning teas or in your evening teas where you can mix this turmeric with black pepper into that. The next very important tip over here is regarding omega 3 fatty acids. You need a diet which is high in omega 3 fatty acids because omega 3s are one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory product. What people don't know is that these omega 3s are heat sensitive, and if you are cooking them at high temperatures or frying them, then you're destroying these omega 3s. So if you're eating fish like tuna, salmon, sardines which are high in omega 3s, make sure you do not fry them or cook them at high temperatures. Just lightly saute them or steam them. If you're eating chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds or walnuts, make sure you are soaking them overnight. That reduces the lectins and tannins in them. And that's the only way they are safe to consume. The next important tip over here is that eat a rainbow colored diet. Each and every color that a vegetable brings along with it has a different antioxidant and a different vitamin and mineral to it. Like for example, bell peppers are high in vitamin C. Tomatoes are high in compound called lycopenes. Broccolis, Brussels sprouts are high in something called sulforaphanes. So similarly, different kinds of vegetables have different kinds of phytonutrients in them that will help you to reduce inflammation. So make sure at least half of your plate is a mixed medley of rainbow colored vegetables so that you can get all the phytonutrients and all the antioxidants together. The last important thing is make sure your body is hydrated. Most people do not drink enough water, and that's the reason their body doesn't function well, and that's the reason they are very high in inflammation levels. So choose your drink wisely. Either drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. You can always add some lemon, lime or cucumber to it to enhance the antioxidant profile of that water, or you choose either turmeric tea or you can choose green tea to drink. That is again going to enhance that hydration profile and antioxidant profile of those drinks for you. So you see, now you got the right way of consuming these anti-inflammatory food so they can reduce inflammation quickly in your body. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others so others can benefit too. See you next time. Bye-bye.